Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how we can deploy our React application on Vercel. So for that I am assuming that you have an active GitHub account where you need to create a repository and push the existing code that we had created in the previous video. It can be any React project created by you. So let's see how we can do that. So basically this is my GitHub account and this is the application that we are going to host, and I'm going to host it on the Vercel. So if you go on Vercel, then you will see the dashboard where you can create a new project. Here in the add new section there is an option called as project, where you will get an pop-up to connect with the GitHub account. Then you can connect it. As you can see, I had already connected it. That's why it's showing me the repositories, all the repositories that I have. Okay, so let's first create a new repository on the GitHub. I will name it as React to do. Then I'll keep it as private. Once I create this repository, I will get some commands that I need to paste in the command prompt to push our files from local storage to GitHub. So for that, first I will go inside my Visual Studio. Then I will add a command as git init. It will initialize a Git repository. Okay. So from then we can directly copy this, all the stuff. Okay. So one more command we need to add, that is git add, which will put all the files into the staging area. Then this from commit, we can directly paste it. And once we hit enter, all the files will be pushed to the GitHub. So if I try to reload, you can see the files has been appeared. Then go toward the Vercel, and once you go to the Vercel, and once you've had successfully connected your Git repository, you can do it easily. Then you can see this React to do has been appeared here. Here it is showing lock. It means that it is a private repository. Then we need to click on import, and we need to name the project. For now I am keeping it as React to do. Okay, the root directory, it will be the same. Then we don't need to do anything here. It will automatically do the stuff for us. And if there are some environment variables that we need to add into the project, then we can paste here the environment name, the environment variable name, and the key. Okay, so for this project we don't have anything, we don't need to do that, and we need to simply click on this deploy. Then it will deploy the application and it will be queued. Then as you can see, it is installing dependencies. It will take some time, and once this process gets completed, we will get a domain where we can view our project, or we can share the link to anyone we want. So let's see. As you can see, the deployment has been successful, and our project has been deployed. If I try to reload and click on this, then we will get a URL which we can share to anyone who want to access this project. Okay, as you can see, it has been opened in both the tabs. In this way we had successfully deployed our application. It's working. I try to reload, the note will be there. Yeah, so in this way we had deployed our application onto the Vercel. So Subscribe to my channel to get some awesome coding updates, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.